Good afternoon. I have iris here. That is first time that blooms in my garden, and I never expect the size of this iris. I think this is the biggest flower of iris that I ever seen. The name is Breaker, and it's too much ruffled on a pole petal. Is too much ruffled. Not in a pole petal. I mean, it's a little some ruffled on a pole petal, but most ruffled are in a standard petal on top here. They all curling and ruffle. See the size of this common iris. This is a common iris in Calgary, and this is the iris that is pansy iris that is collectible. And this is almost one solid color except the dark beard, and with a little bit yellow also in the beard here. That beard, a little bit trace of yellow, dark yellow, and a purple beard too. This flower is very big. It's only one piece of flower, and you see there is besides it's not even opening yet. That one is closed yet, but this is the one single iris flower that is very huge. You see how huge are they? It's very big compared to this intermediate size iris that is local in Calgary. That's why many people love this pansy iris, because of the size of the flower are so big and also fragrant. And the name of this iris is Breaker. I never expect that this iris Breaker is very big flower, and I think I will have to propagate more of this, because it's a big flower. I love it, even though it's a single flower. You see how huge are they. And the name again is Breaker, like you break. Breaker, tall bearded iris.